Imagine a child struggling to hold a crayon or an adult unable to button their shirt after a stroke. These are just two examples of how our brains control our movements and how crucial that control is for daily life. When something affects the brain and makes movement difficult, that's where Neurodevelopmental Treatment, or NDT, steps in. NDT is a specialized approach used by physiotherapists to help people of all ages regain control and improve their quality of life. It's like a roadmap guiding individuals towards more fluid and effortless movement. NDT is more than just exercises. It's about understanding how the brain, muscles, and senses work together. By using gentle touch, specific positioning, and tailored activities, therapists help retrain the brain and encourage natural movement patterns. This can mean the difference between struggling to eat and enjoying a meal independently. NDT has a rich history, beginning with the groundbreaking work of Berta and Karel Bobath in the 1940s. Berta, a physiotherapist, and Karel, a neurologist, dedicated their lives to understanding how the brain controls movement, especially in children with cerebral palsy. Frustrated with the limited treatment options available at the time, the Bobaths developed a revolutionary approach. They believed that with the right support, the brain could learn to overcome challenges and find new pathways for movement. Their innovative methods, based on careful observation and hands-on therapy, formed the foundation of what we know today as NDT. NDT is built on several key principles that guide therapists in their approach. Active participation. NDT encourages active participation, not passive movement. It's about empowering individuals to be active participants in their recovery. Individualized approach. Every brain and every body is unique. NDT recognizes this and tailors treatment plans to each person's specific needs and goals. Problem solving. NDT therapists are like movement detectives, constantly analyzing and adapting their approach to help individuals overcome challenges. Functional goals. The ultimate goal of NDT is to improve everyday function. This could be anything from reaching for a toy to walking independently. Imagine a therapist gently guiding a child's arm as they reach for a toy, or helping an adult regain balance while standing. These are examples of the hands-on techniques used in NDT. Therapists use their hands to provide support, facilitate movement, and help individuals feel and understand the correct way to move. But NDT goes beyond the therapy room. It incorporates these techniques into everyday activities like dressing, bathing, and playing. By practicing these movements in a functional context, individuals can relearn skills and regain independence. Treating challenges, empowering lives. Who benefits from NDT? NDT benefits a wide range of individuals facing movement difficulties, from infants to older adults. Children with cerebral palsy, developmental delays, and other neurological conditions can benefit significantly from NDT. The goal is to help them develop age-appropriate motor skills, improve coordination, and participate more fully in play and daily activities. Adults recovering from stroke, traumatic brain injury, or living with conditions like Parkinson's disease can also benefit from NDT. The focus shifts towards regaining lost function, improving balance and coordination, and increasing independence. Imagine a man named John who suffered a stroke, leaving his left arm weak and making it difficult for him to dress himself. With the help of NDT, John's therapist used specific handling techniques to help him regain control of his arm. They practiced reaching for objects, first with assistance and then independently. They incorporated these movements into daily tasks like buttoning his shirt. Slowly but surely, John regained strength and coordination, eventually regaining the ability to dress himself with confidence. NDT is a dynamic approach that continues to evolve with new technologies and research. Today, therapists are incorporating exciting advancements into their practice. Imagine stepping into a virtual world where you can practice walking on different surfaces or reaching for objects in a safe and engaging environment. That's the power of virtual reality in NDT. Robotic devices can assist with repetitive movements, providing feedback and support during therapy sessions. This can help improve strength and coordination. Recognizing that therapy extends beyond the clinic, NDT emphasizes the importance of involving families in the treatment process. NDT offers a beacon of hope for individuals facing movement difficulties. It's an approach that sees beyond limitations, focusing on potential and possibilities. By understanding the brain's remarkable ability to adapt and learn, NDT empowers individuals to regain control, achieve greater independence, and live life to the fullest. If you or someone you know is struggling with movement challenges, reach out to a qualified NDT therapist. Explore the transformative power of NDT and discover a world of possibilities.